Everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you the models that we have that are available for take home now. We have one brand new 16-foot Bambi. We have one 1-year-old Bambi, 16-foot. We have this 2019 25-foot Flying Cloud behind me, and we still have our 27-foot Globetrotter. Let's check these rigs out. So I'm standing here in this 2019 25-foot Flying Cloud. It's a rear bed, queen bed, front living space, fantastic kitchen here, gas oven, 3-burner cooktop. This rig has been very well maintained. Let me show you some of the other features. Nice dinette area there that turns into a bed. Beautiful rounded sink here with plenty of storage underneath. Microwave, freezer, refrigerator, pull-out pantry here for your kitchen, storage up above, hall closet, plenty of storage, shower, complete with a teak floor mat, very good sized bathroom, very spacious bedroom here, a queen bed. It's got an aftermarket mattress that is very comfortable. And we have the closet space here along with these drawers at the bottom. This rig also has a bike rack installed on the back, all ready for you to take on your next adventure. Next one I'm going to show you is this brand new 2022 16-foot Bambi. Even though it's a 16-foot, it still has plenty of storage here underneath the bed. Although the Bambi is small, this bed back here is quite comfortable for 2 adults to lay in. And if you have little ones, you can put this front area down and make a bed out of that. The 16-foot Bambi is an excellent entry model into Airstreaming and RV in general. It can be pulled by most vehicles, and this one is brand new, ready for you to take home and make it your own. Next one available for you to take home is this 2021 16-foot Bambi. Looks very much like the other one, but it just has a different color scheme on the interior side. It also comes with a few things that you won't have to purchase, like an equalizer hitch, a grill, chock blocks, hoses, and a couple other things that do not come with a new one. This rig has been very well maintained. It's very clean inside, and it is ready for use right away. This rig has all sorts of tools and camping equipment set up already inside here, so it's things you won't have to think about purchasing. Comes with it already. Looking for something a little bit more luxurious and a little bit more space, we have this 2018 27-foot front bed Globetrotter, and that's a gorgeous model too. Let's check it out. Globetrotter is also equipped with its own bike rack and an equalizer hitch and a number of other amenities that you don't have to buy extra. It's a great option for you and your family looking for luxurious, large size camping. Come check out this rig and all the others we have available and see if we can help you find your next adventure. Have a great day, everyone.